Hello plant enthusiasts! Whether you're a gardening guru or just starting your green journey, today's spotlight is on a plant that's a must-have in every home. The spider plant. Why, you ask? Well, we're here to give you not one, but 7 compelling reasons to welcome this plant into your space. Let's discover why the spider plant is an exceptional choice for everyone. Ease of care. New to plants? The spider plant is your ideal starting point. It's incredibly low maintenance, thriving with just occasional watering and adaptable to various light conditions. Perfect for the busy individual. Air purifying properties. Living in the city, the spider plant is a natural air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene according to NASA. A few of these in a room not only cleans the air, but also creates an eye-catching display. Adaptive and forgiving. These plants are tough. They adapt to indoor temperatures and humidity levels. Missed a watering? Don't worry, they rebound quickly once cared for. Pet-friendly. For pet owners, the spider plant is a safe choice. It's non-toxic, so no worries if your furry friends get curious. Aesthetic appeal. Already have a plant collection? The spider plant adds a unique touch with its arching fronds and spiderettes. Imagine it in a hanging basket or gracing a high shelf. Simply stunning. Easy propagation. Love propagating? This plant makes it easy and enjoyable. Snip the spiderettes or divide the mother plant for new plants, ideal for gifting. Resistance to pests and diseases. A gardener's dream, the spider plant is more resistant to pests and diseases than any others, making it a hassle-free addition to your collection. Versatility. From ground covers in partial sun or shade to terrariums, water growth, standalone or part of a larger garden, the spider plant shines in versatility. The spider plant is not just a plant. It's a dynamic, resilient, and beautiful companion for any gardener. Whether you're starting your plant journey or adding to your lush indoor forest, it's a perfect pick. For more plant care insights and gardening tips, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!